So here I have a beaker of water that I've added some red food coloring to, but it's not really as dark of a color red as I wish it was. And here's the problem, I ran out of food coloring, so I can't just add more red food coloring to make it darker. So here's your question. If I don't have any more food coloring to put in to make it darker, what could I do to make this a darker color red than it is now? Take a minute, discuss that with your classmates, and I'll be back to talk about the answer. To make this solution a darker shade of red, I need to increase the concentration of the food coloring. Now, like I said before, I could do that by just adding in more food coloring, but I ran out. So if I can't add more of what I've dissolved in the water to increase the concentration, the other way is to take some of the water away. By removing some of the water, I'll make the solution more concentrated. I can't just pour it out though, because then I would also be pouring out some of the food coloring. So I just need to get the water out while I leave the food coloring there. So to just get the water out, I'll heat up the solution and boil some of that water away. So now that I've boiled the solution and evaporated away some of the water, the food coloring is more concentrated. And because the food coloring is more concentrated, it's a darker shade of red. I'm sure this is a solution that you and your classmates came up with. Keep up the great work. I'll see you next time.